Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar, so let's waste no more time and analyze the price of Hbar. So as we can see across the board, we're seeing a lot of green across the crypto space. The month of July has started off on a really positive note. Fingers crossed. Hopefully, we carry on with this momentum. Bitcoin's looking great. Dominance is doing exactly what you want to see it doing, and you're seeing altcoins really feeling the love. If we're looking across the board, like I said, majority of the market is up. 8.4% increase for Hbar over the course of the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and the Bitcoin comparative, we're up about 6%. Looking at the price, 16 cents right now. Valuation standing at about 6.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $211.2 million. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as I stated to you guys before, dominance is pulling down, doing exactly what you want to see dominance doing. We have seen dominance pretty much, going down to the 65.10%, and pretty much opens the door for us to retest the 65% once again. We know the significance of that range. And if we drop below this, we could actually, start heading down to some of these levels, which of course is a really bullish sign for altcoins, specifically when we consider Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pretty much, wicking back up to this, wick that we did see back up to the 109,800 just a few hours back. We are seeing that, wick pretty much filling in. And maybe at the time of you watching this update, or as we do go into the morning, we are maybe even retesting 110,000 for the first time since June 9th. And that would be quite something, especially if we're able to break out of that range. That means we could see an all-time high this week alone. If you're looking at Hbar has done it. What I mean by that is we have gone back up, into this zone, which of course we're never really left the 78.6, even though, we were below that 15.5 cents. We were still within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But what I want you guys to understand is we are retesting Hbar levels for the first time since June 16th. So it's been about 2 weeks since the last time the price of Hbar was within this range. So that's quite something. If you want to put this into perspective in terms of, the June 22nd, retest down to this 12.5 cents, which again, you could kind of see it as a double bottom from the April level. If you picked up some Hbar around that range, you are up about 26.87%, which of course itself is quite a nice move in about a week's time. So, we are exactly where we need to be, with the fact that, we're back above this key resistance this time around. We had no problem, breaking out of this range, especially, with the Bitcoin momentum and dominance, weakening. And exactly, what you want to see, the dominance continuing to weaken. That is going to be that pivot moment for altcoins to really, push as we do go into the second half of the year, which of course we have just started. So right now, as long as, we are above this key range and, Bitcoin starts heating up, I am personally targeting us to start retesting the likes of here. Actually, let me give it a refresh live and really pull out the full chart because I think it's glitching right now. So pretty much my target right now for Hbar is at that 18.4 cents that I have discussed with you guys before, and that 18.4 cents is something we retested at the beginning of June as well, if you guys know. So that's pretty much the target right now. Let's see what Bitcoin does. Keep a very close eye on that. But if you want to put this into perspective, this itself is about a 15.78% move from where we currently are, and that would be something. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.